Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you this 1/48th scale V-22 Osprey kit by Italeri. So as I mentioned in some of my other videos, I love model airplanes. I love aviation history of all eras. And to me this is kind of a cool aircraft. So I wanted to get this model and put it together. I'll go ahead and do an unboxing here. So here's the instruction booklet on the inside. Pretty good size instruction booklet. It lists all your different sprue sheets here, and they're letters. And then here's all your instructions on the inside. And then on the back here is your markings for decals and painting the aircraft when it's done. So just wanted to show you that instruction booklet, and then here's the sprues all packaged up. It is in one plastic protective covering. So you've got your cockpit, your clear pieces right there, and then the rest of your sprues are on the inside here. As you can see, the fuselage right there, and then you've got some of your other parts here on the back side. And then right here is your decal sheet, depending on if you want to use these and mark it up with the included decals. So just wanted to show you this real quick.